This is a video for the Hunter timer that sits on the DC latching solenoid. I'll show you the manual cycle here on the node. So you bring up the time by hitting the central button. There's a reflection on there. You hold it a little bit so it'll come up, and then hold the program button and it brings up the manual time. See the little hand means manual. It shows you on the back what the key is. Oh, and the sprinklers already came on. So it came on for 1 minute. That reflection isn't so helpful. 1 minute. If you want to turn it off, you can go down to 0. And you can probably hear, there it counts down 10, and then the sprinklers go off. So we'll do it again, hold down program. You can set however many minutes you want by pressing the up, or the plus, and then it'll count down once you let go. And then we set it for 5 minutes. You can hear the sprinklers going, and that tells you that the timer is activated. So if like the water wasn't on and that was flashing and there was no water coming out of the sprinklers, you would know that the timer's active, but the water is not happening, not coming through the line. There's the battery amount. When that gets down to a third, you want to replace the batteries. Oh, and the display shut off while it's activated. It's watering this beautiful lawn on its first week of growth in New York. And to bring the display back up, you hold this central button, return, and then you can take the time down to 0 to shut it off. And it counts, and then it's off. Hope that was helpful, and happy gardening.